Hello children, in today's video I'll explain you editing and omission exercises which are very important part of English grammar. Editing and omission is a very important part of grammar in class 9th. I'll first explain you the editing part to you. So let's see what kind of a question comes in exam. The following passages have not been edited. There is an error in each of the lines against which a blank is given. Write the incorrect word and the correction in the space provided. So we'll take an example. Here you can see that a small passage is given. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines and the passage is of 4 marks. So each line or each correction is of half mark. In this you can see that in against every line is given 2 blanks are given, and in the first blank we have to write the incorrect word, and in the second blank we will put our correction or the answer. So I'll tell you how you have to do these kind of exercises. Let's see the first line. In the absence of rain, all the river. When it is saying all means river should be plural. So this is the mistake or this is the wrong word. So we have to pick it up and write over here in the first blank under the incorrect column. So we'll write here river, and what is the correction? It should be rivers. So we'll write down here the word rivers, which is the correction or the answer. So in the absence of rain, all the rivers. So this is the wrong word. We'll put it here. The correction we will write down here. Get dry. Crops failed. Now it should be failed because the passage is in present tense and failed is the past verb. So because this is the wrong word, we'll pick it up and write it down over here in the B column under the incorrect column in the first blank. So we'll write down failed over here, and what is the correction? It should be fail. So we'll write down in the answer blank fail, which is the correction. So in this way we'll get one more correction over here. Crops fail in the absence of. So failed, which is wrong, we'll put it here, and the answer, which is fail, we will write down here. So in this way, in each line there is one word which is wrong. Like in these 2 lines I have shown you the example. One word was wrong in this line, one word was wrong in next line, and likewise in all the lines one word is wrong. You have to pick it up and write down over here in the first blanks, and in the second blanks you will write down the correct word which you feel that should be here as your answer. So in this way we'll do the editing part. Now we'll take some examples. It will make it more clear to you that how you have to do editing. Now for example, we have a passage over here. It's a small passage with 4 blanks. So we'll see the first line. The minister has earlier. Because the word earlier is there, it means it talks about the past tense. So this has is wrong. We'll underline it. The minister had, it should be had, we'll write down later on. The minister had earlier set up a committee to study and recommend it. Now recommended is a wrong word, it should be recommend. So we'll underline it. And recommend technologies that can cut off, it should be not off but down, that can cut down river pollution from crematorium, and its report needs, because report is singular, so it should be needs, not need, to be studied in detail. Now we'll see that how we can do it. So we have seen in the first line the wrong word was has, and the correction is had. In the second line the wrong word was recommended, and the correct word is recommend. In the third line, the wrong word was off, O-double-F, off, it should be down, which is the correct word. Now in the last line, the word which was wrong was need. It should have been needs. So in this way, in the first blank, we'll write down the wrong word. I'll show you. See, this is the wrong word we have written in the first blank, and in the second blank we have written the correction. In the second line was the word recommended, which we have written in the first blank, which is the incorrect column, and in the second blank we have written the correct word, that is recommend. In the third line, the wrong word was off, and we have written it over here in the first blank, and in the second blank we have written the answer, that is the correction, which is down. Can cut down river pollution. And in the last line we saw that the wrong word was need, and its report need, which should be needs. So we have written the wrong word need over here and the correction in the next blank, which is needs. So in this way, children, we have to do the editing part of grammar. Now we come to the omission part, in which we'll see that in a passage, in every line, one word is omitted, means missing. I'll read the question to you. In the passages given below, one word has been omitted in each line. Write the missing word. So you understood? In every line, one word is missing. Write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after it in your answer sheet. Ensure that the word that forms your answer is underlined. The first one has been done as an example. So we'll see over here the example. Corporate initiatives in field of. So where is the missing word? The missing word is the, which should come in between in and field. So we see that what kind of a pattern is followed over here. There are 3 blanks, unlike the editing part. In editing we had 2 blanks, but in omission we will be given 3 blanks. So how we will do? First of all, we will find out at which place the word is missing. So because the word is missing over here, we will write down both these words, the word which comes before and after the missing word. So these words are in and field. So in the first blank we have written in, and in the last blank, that is the third one, we have written field, and in between both these words will come our answer, which is the. It is written in the blank which is in the middle column, and it is underlined. The answer is underlined. Now I will show you some examples which will make you more clear this part of the grammar. Now we have a small passage over here. Let's take the example of these 4 lines. A bicycle gets punctured when a thorn. So what I feel is that the word is missing over here. So I'll put a slash over here for my convenience, and I'll write down when over here. When, and in the second blank, last blank, I will write down the word that comes after the missing word, and which is thorn. Now what is my answer is a. So I will put down a over here and I'll underline it. In this way we have to do all the corrections. Now we'll see the next line. So a bicycle gets punctured when a thorn or nail, it should be or, nail runs into its tube. The puncture. So the word which is missing over here, what I feel is the. So I'll write down first of all tube and puncture. And what is my answer is the. So I'll write it down over here and I'll underline it. The puncture needs to repaired. It should be to be. So I'll put a slash and I'll write down to over here repaired over here, and the answer B. Now let's see the last line. The tube is taken out of the tire and inflated. The tube is. So what are the two words which come before and after the missing word are tube and taken. And my answer is. I'll underline it. In this way we have to do. You may not be putting these slashes. I have put because of my convenience. So I'll read out the whole complete corrected passage to you now. A bicycle gets punctured when a thorn or nail runs into its tube. The puncture needs to be repaired. First of all, the tube is taken out of the tire and inflated. So the point or the spot where you feel that the word is missing, you have to write down the word before it and after it in the blanks which are given over here. In the first blank, we will put the word which comes before the missing word, and in the last blank we will put the word which comes after the missing word, and in the middle blank we will write down the word which is missing, and this is only our answer. So these words are our answer, and for writing these 4 words we'll get 4 marks in exam. So in this way, children, you have seen that how we can do editing and omission exercises. Now I'm going to send you some questions. You try them, and if you face any difficulty, message me. I'll help you out.